Welcome back. Today we're going to go over Instagram Insights. So Instagram Insights is essentially analytics for Instagram. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through what you guys should be looking at and kind of explain Instagram Insights to you guys. So I opened up Insights. This is under settings on your Instagram profile page. So I went to settings, Insights, and bam, I am here. So it's important to also note that you need to be a business account in order to get access to Insights. That's one of the many benefits to having a business account on Instagram. So please get that. So I'm looking here at the first tab, and that is content. I can see how many posts and how many stories I actually posted for the week. I haven't posted anything. I've been slacking it. So I don't have anything here. But what I can do is go to the next tab. The next tab is going to show me how many accounts I reached. So here I reached 46,627 unique individuals. So remember this, your reach is essentially unique individuals. Now impressions is going to be how many times your post, how many times your content was seen in total. So me as one individual, I could look at your content 100 times, and that's going to contribute 100 times to your impressions. So let's move on to the next section. This is going to be interactions. Look, this is huge because Instagram is telling you how many people went to your profile, how many people went to your website, how many people sent you an email, and also how many people got directions for your business. So if you have a physical place of business, this is huge because you can definitely see how many people were so interested in what you have to offer that they wanted to see how far you were. They wanted to get directions. So I would look at get directions as a huge metric of success if you have a physical place of business. If you are online and you just want to drive people to your landing page or something like that, looking at something like web clicks is going to be huge as well. But regardless, if you have positive numbers on all of this, on profile visits, website clicks, emails, get directions, I mean, that's perfect. That's what you want. Now, let's move on to the third tab over here. This is going to be audience. This is going to give you the overall growth of your account. So 165 people followed me, but unfortunately 40 people unfollowed me. So in total, I only grew my account by 125 individuals for the week. Now look, this section is really important because when we look at insights, we also need to be thinking about the future. And in the future, I might be running some ads, right? And I want to run ads with individuals that already know about me. I want to show ads to individuals in the areas that have, statistically speaking, have been really engaging with my content. And for me, this is New York, Los Angeles, San Francisco, Miami, Chicago. So if I am running ads, these are the cities I want to show the ads to. On top of that, same thing with age range. For the ads, I might want to show the ads to individuals who are in the age range of 25 to 44 years of age. Same thing with gender. And look, here's the really important part. Instagram tells you when you should be posting on Instagram. So look, I could go over here, I could go to Tuesdays, and I go to Tuesday and it will tell me, hey, if I want to show my content to the most amount of individuals, I should be posting at 3 p.m., 6 p.m., 9 p.m. Look, Instagram gives you all of these tools and resources because they want you to do well on Instagram. It's in their best interest to have you doing well. It's in their best interest to help you grow your presence, to help you grow your business using Instagram. Because when you do that, when you grow on Instagram, you might start to run ads. When you run ads, Instagram gets that money, so Instagram makes more money. So it's a win-win for everybody. Instagram wants you to do well so that way you can advertise with them and give them more money. So always remember that. Now look, if this video helped you out, please do me a favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video.